Hello, I am the Black King. Hi, Nia, the Queen. Hi, Fatso Wing. Hi, Lena. Let's go. It Twist. Natural Hair Show. Hi, Kafele. Kafele, look at your twists. I just washed them today. Well, I washed my scalp today, and the twists are in good shape. It's frizzy here, but that's because I didn't tame that yet. But I will. I washed it, and I'm just doing some maintenance. I'm gonna actually go out in the sun in just a bit, and the way this sun is hitting, it's gonna dry my hair. It's gonna dry my hair, but I'm gonna make sure that I spray with the rose water moisturizer first, because it does act as a heat protectant, and while the sun is natural as opposed to artificial heat like blow dryers, it can still dry your hair out and leave your hair feeling brittle. So let's be cautious of that. Thank you. So I want to let everybody know that this weekend you can get your rose waters 30% off with the code ROSE30. We have excellent reviews. Everybody loves it. It works really well. So I'm like, I already misted my hair pretty thoroughly with that. I'm just squeezing it in, making sure that my hair feels really moisturized and soft to the touch. Chi Chi says, fabulous. Please check out my natural hairstyles. Oh, are you a hairstylist? That's dope. Thank you, one of three many. Thank you. I believe, how old is my hair? Not my hair, my twists. I think I had these twists in for 2 weeks. I think it's been about 2 weeks. So it's normal for me to wash my hair at this point, because I wash my hair every 2 weeks because my scalp prefers that. Ever since I can remember, I've been washing my hair every 2 weeks. Even in my relaxer days back in my youth, I had to wash my scalp every 2 weeks. And that didn't change when I went natural, even when I started using natural products. But that's mostly because sometimes I act up and I don't eat what I'm supposed to be eating. But as long as I know, as long as I'm aware, right? If I have too much sugar or too much bread, then my scalp can get like a little flaky. Naturally, Dami says, I love the twist. Do you have a vid about how to wash your scalp only? I'm actually in the middle of filming it right now. I'm taking a break to come live to talk to you. But I definitely show you how I do it. Well, in this video, I'm doing it a different way than I normally do it. But I don't think I have another video. I don't think I have a different video. But this will be the video to go to. Yes, and hopefully I'll have it uploaded by tonight. I do have some other things I need to do, but we'll see. So, and this is what I'm doing right now. I feel like people don't really focus on when you use something like a hair mist, which is like a leave-in to keep your hair nice and soft. You really should work to evenly distribute it as well as possible. So what I like to do is, after misting it, it's on my hands, and I like to take sections of my hair and squeeze it in. Yeah. But next to the horsetail leaf growth oil, this is our bestseller. Check out the reviews. On my shop, y'all. A lot of people have this on subscription because they can't go without it. And it's perfect for this time of year when the sun is intense. And Veronica said, I just had a come to Jesus moment about my hair. I am a bun abuser, meaning if I can get my hair into a good top bun, it will stay in that style for 3 days. Has that happened to you? Absolutely not. Absolutely not, girl. I am tender-headed. No way. A bun is not lasting more than 8 hours on my head. No, ma'am. But shout out to you, though, because I wish I could keep styles in my head like that. At least updos. I can keep twists, clearly. I can keep twisting braids, but I can't keep in updos. I can't keep it up, dudes. And oh yes, my hair feels really soft. For those just coming in, I didn't wash my hair, but I washed my scalp. And I have a video coming onto YouTube, hopefully by tonight, showing you how I did that. Hey Raven, doesn't that cause alopecia? It can. It depending on how tight it is. I'm thinking you're talking about the bun, keeping in a bun for too long. It can, if done too often and too tightly. Let's go says, me too, Veronica. Nancy Dami says, I have a hard time getting my hair into a bun. Why is that? Is it because it's too long? Is it too short? Is it too thick? Why do you have a hard time? You just don't know how? A bun is one of the more simpler styles, but you do have to have the right length. I mean, well, there's multiple right lengths for a bun. You gotta have one of the right lengths. It can't be too short, and it gets complicated when it's really long. But one thing about having really long hair and getting into buns is that you get into messy bun territory, and messy buns look pretty cool sometimes. I mean, they're hit or miss. Sometimes they're miss. That's all right though. I guess it's too long and I don't know how. Okay. There's a few methods. There's like the do I have a ponytail holder? I don't really want to do it right now because I want my hair to stay down and dry. But the one method, if you're talking about like a neat bun, if you want like a neat bun, then like the donut method is really good. I think I'm gonna show you. I'll just show you. So is your hair long like mine, or is it shorter or longer? I'm gonna show you a quick way to do a so-called neat bun. All right, y'all getting a live tutorial, impromptu. I'm gonna just take it down right after because I want it to dry properly, since I just washed my scalp. So because this is a bigger bra strap length. Okay, so your hair is shorter than mine, but this in general is a good technique. By the way, that's not too long at all. That's probably the perfect length for buns, bra strap length. But anyway, so you place your ponytail wherever you want it. I'm gonna do it up high, right? Now I'm going to separate my hair in the middle, so there's locks going all the way around. You see the circle effect, right? See the circle effect. Now you start to grab some and wrap under. 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 And you do that all the way around until, well, see, if your hair is bra strap length, you'll probably be done right here, and you can secure it with a ponytail holder or pins, or honestly, if you tuck it well enough, you don't even need any pins or any ponytail holders or anything like that. But my hair, I still have some more hair to go, so I'm going to tuck it under. And if this is really difficult for you, if your hair is not very malleable, then you may want to use something like this, the rose water moisturizer, because it helps to keep your hair softer, so it's easier, it's more pliable, it's more obedient. Like right now, my hair is incredibly soft after I just thoroughly rinsed my hair. Whew. I mean, thoroughly misted my hair. All right. Thank you. Let's go. Let me go back to these comments. Okay. Veronica says ponytail and split the hair in half and tissues half and tie with headbands. Then tuck into the ponytail with pins. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So I'm gonna take it down now again because I needed to dry properly since I did just wash my scalp. But I hope that was a good demonstration. Woo. That bun actually came out pretty good. I'm kind of sad I gotta take it down. But like I said, I have to go outside in the sun to let my hair dry fully. And I gotta film The last part, no, I already filmed it. I'm like, wait, did I finish filming the YouTube video? I did finish filming it. I just have to edit it and do my voiceover. I'm gonna put like a satin scarf on my hairline to keep it smooth here. I don't so much mind any kind of frizz I have up here. I don't mind that. But I do mind the frizz in this area, so I will tie it up. But yeah, I hope that bun demo was good. I'm not sure if I'll save this live, but I'll probably chop this live up and like I'll post that demo because I think that was pretty good for one shot. Like I just did that once. Yeah, oftentimes when I'm filming for YouTube or something and I'm doing a demonstration, I have to do it over and over again because it didn't hit. But that bun hit. So if y'all missed it, don't worry, I'll post it later. But yes, again, can you guys tell how soft my hair is right now? I don't know if you guys can tell, but you can tell like just from the way I squeeze it how soft it is. You probably can tell how soft it is from me squeezing it. And that's the Rose Water Moisturizer, which is 30% off this weekend with the code ROSE30, okay? Just so you know. That's at KeishaSharmaine.com. So screenshot this so you can remember later. But I'm going to get out of here. You're very welcome, Naturally Dami. I'm going to get out of here and walk around in the sun for about 15 minutes. And I'll put on some sunblock. Don't worry, okay? All right, everyone. I'll come by later.